Hello, I'm Dr. Nidhi Harjai. I'm an audiologist, and today I'm speaking to specially all those patients who've had a confirmed diagnosis of a hearing loss, have been prescribed hearing aids by the audiologist. They have procured the hearing aids, but still, for some reason or the other, are not using it for that stipulated period of time. So a few things I'm going to explain to you which will emphasize the importance of wearing your hearing aids for the adequate duration of time in a given day. So you need to understand that if you have a hearing loss, you need to wear your hearing aid for a period of minimum 8 to 10 hours in a day. Initially, if you feel that you get tired or fatigued, or there's some kind of a burden or a headache that you feel because of using the hearing aid, then it is very important for you not to discard the hearing aid, but to use the hearing aid in a graduated manner. Say for example, you wear the hearing aid at 9 o'clock, keep it on for 2.5 hours. At 11:30, you can remove it for a duration of half an hour to 1 hour, and then after that again wear the hearing aids for some time. So gradually keep trying to increase the duration for which you are using the hearing aid, and eventually in 4 to 6 weeks the usage duration should be minimum 8 to 10 hours in a day. Now, it's very important to understand that if you're using the hearing aid on day one because you had probably some guests over, or you had a meeting to attend, or you had to go to the market, and day two you were all by yourself in the house, not much work to do, and you chose not to wear your hearing aids. Day 3 again you wear it for some time, and then you take it off on day 4. So if you keep changing the duration of your hearing aid usage, in the sense कि कभी hearing aid लगाया और कभी hearing aid नहीं लगाया, then you will not be able to draw maximum benefit out of the hearing aid. Along with that, you will be rather confusing your brain, because you have to understand that when you start wearing a hearing aid, the physiology of listening changes totally. If you're not wearing a hearing aid and using the natural mechanism of understanding speech and listening, then my sound is getting carried through the ear, it is reaching your ear, and you are able to listen to me. But once you start wearing a hearing aid, then my air conducted sound will get converted into an electrical signal and then reach your brain for processing. So if you keep changing the way you are listening, sometimes through the air medium, sometimes through the electronic medium, you are going to confuse your brain as to whether the input signal which it is receiving is going to be complete or not. So don't do this. Do not confuse your brain that एक दिन नॉर्मल आवाज आ रही है जो कि ब्रोकन है, सिग्नल पूरा सुनाई नहीं दे रहा, रिसेप्शन ठीक नहीं है. Day 2 you wear the hearing aid, suddenly you are able to hear nicely. So you're confusing the brain that whether should I pay attention to these sounds, will these sounds come tomorrow as well, or is it just a confused state of mind that I'm not able to decipher speech. So in order to comprehend speech better, you have to understand that you need to wear the hearing aids continuously daily, irrespective of the fact that you have a social engagement on that day or not. So अगर आप घर पे खाली बैठे हैं, आपने किसी से मिलना नहीं है, किसी ने आना नहीं है, and you're just reading the newspaper or talking to your children or talking to your spouse, or even if you are just sitting and enjoying a cup of tea all by yourselves, even then you must keep your hearing aids on. Secondly, another thing which you have to understand is that untreated hearing loss, if you are not treating your hearing loss, that can lead to other problems like dementia and short-term memory loss. So often people complain that I am not using the hearing aid regularly, and now with the passage of time I tend to forget small little things. For example, I enter the room and I forget why I had come to this room, or probably I would just open the cupboard and I will not be able to decide which color shirt should I take out and wear, or probably making a phone call to some person and then actually forgetting that why you had called in the first place. So things like short-term memory loss, dementia, and cognitive deprivation also is a result of hearing deprivation. So your listening problem or your hearing problem is not only related to your hearing per se, but also to the level of your alertness, your orientation, and how active or confident you are feeling in your daily life. Point number 3, remember that if you are wearing a hearing aid, not only it is important for you as a device to make you feel more adjusted in the household, more adjusted in your social community, but it is also very important for your family members or your wife or husband who are living with you. Because if you are not wearing a hearing aid and they might call you out for help, maybe to indicate a danger signal, maybe to indicate a medical emergency, and you're not able to hear them, this can lead to very serious accidents in the household. So you have to understand that you need to wear your hearing aid for yourself as well as for your family, your spouse, and your children. Because a hearing loss is not only affecting you, but it is affecting your entire family, your entire friend circle. And a special message to the family members or the caregivers of people with hearing loss who have been advised hearing aids. If for some reason you observe that they are not using the hearing aids regularly, make sure that you communicate with them and you ask them the reason for which they are discarding the hearing aid. Write down a list of points that they complain and make sure that you go back to your hearing aid dispenser or you go back to your audiologist and share that list with them and discuss all the problems which they are facing point by point, so that those problems can be rectified. The patient is all the complaints which the patient is facing, they are taken care of, and eventually as family members we ensure that the patient is actually wearing the hearing aid which he or she has procured. Because any problem which is there in the hearing aid is just maybe a little, requires a little fine tuning or a little adjustment or a little discussion with your audiologist to understand what can be done to overcome those problems. So if you are facing a difficulty, address the problem, talk to the concerned person, and make sure that as family members, as caregivers, we encourage the patient to wear a hearing aid. Along with that, it is very important for us as family members to stop testing them from point to point. You know, I often see family members, spouses, and even children question the person who is using the hearing aid. सुन रहा है आपको? Can you hear this? आपको ये पता चला जो मैंने बोला? Can you hear me? So if the entire day you are constantly going to judge the patient, you're constantly going to keep asking questions to put extra load or extra burden on the patient, then that's not the right way of doing it. Make the patient wear the hearing aids and have a normal conversation with them. If they are able to understand your speech, if they are answering you fluently and they are answering you with the right coherent answers, that means they are listening. But to have that attitude कि चलते फिरते every time you asking them questions, आपको पता चला मैंने क्या बोला, आपको पता चला मैंने क्या बोला, ये आपको सुनाई दिया जो मैंने धीरे से बात की. This puts the patient under a lot of pressure. It is an unwanted performance pressure that now that I have hearing aids, I should be able to hear the faintest of sound. Hearing aids are prosthetic devices. They are not a piece of magic that is going to just, you'll put them on and some magic will appear. You require time, you require adjustments, you require fine tunings, and most importantly, you require a lot of family support. So to the patients, I would say, wear your hearing aids regularly, and to the family members, I would say, ensure that the problems which they are facing in wearing the hearing aids constantly are addressed, they are discussed with the audiologist, and proper rectification can be done so that you and the person with the hearing loss both can have a good daily life. Thank you.